Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Mattress Advisor. Today we have the Helix mattress in the lab. Follow along as we put it to the Mattress Advisor test and reveal our Mattress Advisor score. Before we dive in, here are some things you should know about the Helix. Helix is a hybrid mattress made with foam and micro-coils. Each Helix is built just for you. No, really, you just take a 2-minute quiz that takes into account your size, sleeping style, and personal preferences, and then Helix will make your bed based on your results. If you share the bed with someone else, you'll each take a quiz, and you have the option to customize each side of the bed or to create a blended mattress. A queen-size mattress will run you $995 and an additional $150 if you choose to customize each side of the bed. The Helix comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial period. The Helix comes compressed and rolled up in a box. A queen mattress weighs 85 pounds, so about the weight of a dishwasher. It took our Mattress Advisor crew members just over 2 minutes to set this up. Now let's take a moment of silence to enjoy this unboxing therapy. There was barely any odor when we opened the mattress, and any smells that were there dissipated within a couple of hours. So for ease of setup, we give it an 8.5. All right, we're going to see how the Helix measures up to motion transfer. In other words, how much movement you feel if your sleeping partner gets up or changes positions throughout the night. Now keep in mind that if you hate feeling your partner wiggle around in the middle of the night, make sure you note that in your quiz. Okay, so first we're going to conduct our whine test. Sure, this isn't the most scientific test, but it's a great visual indicator of how much motion is being transferred from one side of the bed to another, and a good indicator of how well your mattress will support your wine glass in bed. Don't lie, we know you're wondering that too. We had RJ lie down and roll back and forth a few times on the other side to see how much the glass and the wine inside of it moved. There's a little shake, but we'll cheers to minimal motion transfer. Next, instead of a wine glass, we used real humans to measure how much movement there was. We had both RJ and Asha rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being no movement at all. They collectively gave a 7.5. So for the combined motion transfer test, the Helix gets a 7.75 out of 10. If your dog or your partner tends to push you to the edge of the bed, or you use the end of the bed to zip up your boots in the morning, then this next test is especially for you. First, we asked RJ and Asha to sit on the end of the bed and tie their shoes. We had them rate the level of support on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being extremely difficult and 10 being extremely easy, with exceptional edge support. They gave it a 9.5 out of 10. Not too shabby, Helix. Next, we asked RJ and Asha to lie on the edge of the bed in multiple positions, side, stomach, back, to see if they could sleep comfortably in those positions. And again, we had them rate it on a scale from 1 to 10. Collectively, they gave it an 8.5 out of 10. So for total edge support, Helix gets a 9. Huzzah, Helix! When it comes to measuring pressure relief, we do not mess around. What you see here is our pressure mapping film. It shows how much pressure is placed on different parts of the body. What we want is to see little to no red spots on this diagram, which means that the mattress is evenly distributing your body weight. This is really important around your hips, thighs, and shoulders, which means that the mattress is doing a good job of supporting those pressure points. Both RJ and Asha barely had any red spots and an overall low average pressure rating, landing the Helix at a strong 9 out of 10 for pressure relief. Keeping your spine aligned in its natural position is very important, especially while you're sleeping. When you're lying on your side, you want there to be a straight line from your lower back through your neck. Asha's line was almost pin straight, but RJ had a slight curve, earning the Helix an 8 out of 10 for spine alignment. Let's see how well the Helix adjusts or responds to different sleeping positions and movements while you sleep. We tried this test with our giant Buddha, but we thought it might be more helpful to see how you, a real human, might feel on it. So we had RJ and Asha lie on the Helix in each sleeping position, back, stomach, and side. And when they changed positions and settled in, we asked them to rate how well the mattress adjusted or responded to their movement. Asha gave Helix a perfect 10, but RJ gave it a 6. So Helix gets an 8 out of 10 for responsiveness. Okay guys, it is the moment of truth. It's time to reveal the Mattress Advisor score for the Helix mattress. Our score is a weighted average out of 10 that incorporates functional and performance characteristics of the mattress, as well as a social responsibility score, which is a measure of social mission, community involvement, and charitable partnerships. All right, I'm gonna need that drum roll sound while our math nerds calculate the total score. The Mattress Advisor score for the Helix mattress is an 8.8. Remember, if some of these characteristics are more important to you in a mattress, you can prioritize those in your sleep quiz. We've conducted our tests on this one model, but that might not be what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in today to learn more about the Helix mattress. If you want to take a deeper look at any of these scores, just hop on over to the Helix review at mattressadvisor.com. Now, excuse me while I coil up with my Helix.